Hi, my name's Kiyuona.
I think we're good.
Get it so you can turn it to me.
State Farm agents help you get to a better
Hi, my name is Molly. Oh yeah, and we're trying to burp like who can do the best burp. Okay? Okay, so it's gonna be her turn. This girl Kiyuona turn first.
My father is one of the toughest guys I know. If he has to check himself into a hospital, I know it's going to be pretty serious.
Everything's going to be coming at you at one time. You got to be right on top of everything. This is your opportunity. You've been barking about it all this time. Think about what you're going to do before you do it. You need that 10 seconds.
Okay, that's done.
Alright, you do it to me. Bring it close to my mouth. You can see me?
Yep.
I love you too. Kick ass now. Alright?
Dude, my dad's not going to be there on Memorial. How's this going to work? What you doing, bud? Damn, man. Y'all again?
Okay, that's enough. Alright, say bye.
Bye.
Wave.
Wait.
Wave. Alright, me. Bye.
What up, money? What are you going to do about it? You going to pay the bike off my